£120 for this hair? No way. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rita. Today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to make this beautiful hairstyle. I parted my hair into two sections, took a little piece of hair on both sides of my hair, added the curling cream and then twisted my hair down. Then I divided that section into two, getting a middle part, and then I weave a part into three. I left some hair in the middle to form a ponytail. So the ponytail, I added the braided hair, the twisted hair into it, then secure them with a rubber band just to put them in place. That ponytail, I divided it into several sections and twist them all. Then I did the same on the other part of my hair. I went ahead to twist the rest of my hair up, and look how juicy the hair looks. This is the following day. I took out my bonnet, applied some mousse on the hair, and then I started to unravel the twists one after the other. I took out the buns on the front, twist out the twist I made the previous night, then wrap it up into a bun. I did the same thing on the other side of the hair. And then I started unraveling the twist at the back, one after the other, but being careful so the coils will not be messed up, if you know what I mean. Just look at how the coils are looking. So juicy. Oh my goodness, I'm loving this. I took my time to unravel this so that I won't mess up the coils actually. But here you really have to take it easy when unraveling the twist, when doing your twist out. Look at how juicy this hair is. Just look at that. Then I'm using this comb to fluff them out. Wow, this hair is really amazing. It's really cute. So, how do you see this, guys? Is this beautiful? Tell me. Leave your comment on the comment section. Subscribe to my channel. Give this videos a big thumbs up. Just look at that. Look at that. I beg, this hair to fine, Joe. Let me leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.